Welcome to Planet Crypto Today, your channel for news related to the world of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin may only need 4 weeks to hit $30,000 as key monthly close looms. Voyager is selling crypto assets through Coinbase, suggests on-chain data. Coordinated Global Crypto Policies G20 Key Financial Stability Priority. Binance calls for boosting confidence in cryptocurrencies. Anything other than Bitcoin falls under SEC control, says Gensler. ETHEREUM in danger again. Theta, Lido, Clay, and EGLD flash bullish signs as Bitcoin recaptures $23,000. If GBTC gets approval, it could return a couple $2 billion to investors, says Grayscale CEO. Adidas explores NFT and blockchain to enhance community experience.
If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it.
Bitcoin may only need 4 weeks to hit $30,000 as key monthly close looms. Bitcoin is on an upward trajectory and appears to be approaching a key monthly close that could take its price to $30,000 in just 4 weeks. Analysts believe that next month will be crucial for the cryptocurrency as it has managed to stay above the $22,000 support level. If the virtual currency can break through $25,000, a new resistance level may be established. However, if the price falls below $22,000, it could drop back below $20,000. Voyager is selling crypto assets through Coinbase, suggests on-chain data. According to on-chain data, the cryptocurrency exchange platform Voyager is allegedly selling crypto assets through Coinbase. Data shows that Voyager has transferred Bitcoin, ETHEREUM, and other cryptocurrencies to an address linked to Coinbase on several occasions. This news comes after Voyager CEO Steve Ehrlich stated that the platform had no intention of selling any of its holdings in the short term. At the moment, the reasons behind these transfers are unknown. Coordinated Global Crypto Policies G20 Key Financial Stability Priority. According to Financial Stability Board Chair Randall Quarles, coordinated global crypto policies are a priority for G20 financial stability. Quarles noted that cryptocurrencies can have a significant impact on the global financial system and that it is necessary to address the risks and opportunities they represent. Additionally, he emphasized the importance of ensuring consumer protection and market integrity. The Financial Stability Board is an international body that coordinates financial regulation globally. Binance calls for boosting confidence in cryptocurrencies. Binance, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange platforms, has called on the crypto industry to boost confidence in digital currencies. Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao has said that mass adoption of cryptocurrencies will only occur if people trust them. Zhao also emphasized the importance of transparency and education in building confidence in the industry. Binance has recently come under scrutiny from regulators in several countries. Anything other than Bitcoin falls under SEC control, says Gensler. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission SEC Chairman Gary Gensler has said that anything other than Bitcoin falls under the SEC's control. Gensler made these comments at a hearing of the U.S. Senate Banking Committee. The SEC chairman also noted that cryptocurrencies offer opportunities, but also pose risks to investors and the market as a whole. Gensler said that the SEC is working on a strategy to protect investors from the risks associated with cryptocurrencies and to foster innovation in the market. Terra in danger again. The cryptocurrency Terra Luna has suffered another drop after a liquidation attack on the lending platform of the network, Anchor Protocol. According to reports, users borrowed large amounts of stablecoins and then sold them in exchange for Luna, which caused a drop in the price of the cryptocurrency. The price of Luna has dropped around 30% in the past 24 hours. Terra has experienced a series of drops in recent weeks due to a variety of technical issues. Theta, Lido, Clay, and EGLD flash bullish signs as Bitcoin recaptures $23,000. As the price of Bitcoin rebounded above $23,000, several altcoins also recorded significant gains. Theta Network Theta, Lido LDO, Clayton Clay, and LRND GLD were among the cryptocurrencies that showed bullish signs. Theta Network, for example, saw a 15% increase in its price after announcing a partnership with blockchain gaming platform Immutable X. Lido also rose 15% after announcing its expansion to the Solana blockchain. Clay and Aaron also recorded significant increases in their prices. If GBTC gets approval, it could return a couple $1 billion to investors, says Grayscale's CEO. Michael Sonnenschein, CEO of Grayscale, has said that if Grayscale's Bitcoin fund GBTC gets approval from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC, it could return a couple of $1 billion to investors. Currently, GBTC is trading at a significant discount to the value of its underlying assets. If GBTC gets SEC approval, it could attract a large number of institutional investors to the Bitcoin market. However, the SEC has not yet made a decision on whether to approve GBTC's application. Adidas explores NFT and blockchain to enhance community experience. Sporting giant Adidas has announced that it is exploring the use of blockchain technology and non-fungible tokens to enhance the community experience around its products. The company has filed a patent that describes the use of blockchain to assign unique identifiers to clothing items and then link them to an NFT. This would allow owners of Adidas products to verify their authenticity and participate in NFT-based community activities. Adidas joins a growing list of companies looking to tap into the potential of blockchain technology.
If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it with your family, friends, or enemies on your social networks.
You feel fucking